Hi everyone, thanks for coming back to Yoshimi's TV journey. So it's actually my off day yesterday and I wanted to enjoy a home cafe and make something sweet to make me feel happy at home since it's rainy day. And I actually wanted to share that here in Japan, their shokupan, the loaf of bread is usually thicker than what I usually have back then in Singapore, if you can see the picture that I've attached. And well, I just have to get used to eating bread in Japan though. And actually this 6 loaf of bread that I bought in Japan, this costs about 98 yen, which is about $1.30 in conversion to Singapore dollar. So where I was in Singapore, the loaf of bread that I get will cost me about $2.50. Well, it's actually in thinner size. And I can't comment which is better because it actually depends on individual preferences. Well, I just want to say that this French toast, it's been a while I last made French toast and it's really good. So if you want to eat more of them, make them at home and you can try it in different flavor, such as using maple syrup, topping on with ice cream, and the sugar fill on the toast as well, going with a cup of black coffee to make your day awesome. So that's how I spent my day at home, having a home cafe with my husband. Thanks for watching my channel and remember to like and subscribe to my channel.